Make a great choice today with 2006 H3. H3 is the affordable, approachable, people-friendly Hummer. It's the Hummer you can drive anywhere and in any company and not be subjected to rude gestures or inappropriate speculation about the size of your vehicular needs, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, trip computer, power outlets. Come see the car for yourself.